Start your laser engraving journey today with our laser engraver, and bring your ideas to life with extreme speed and precision. Our laser engraver also has a built-in air assist to blow away all smoke, dust, and sparks. Designed with closed water inlet to prevent water leakage. Built-in water tank to save space. Unlock with key dedicated to dedicated personnel. Secondary switch protection to protect the safety of your machine. Industrial-grade laser head with high quality, reliable performance adopts premium glass sealed laser tube with high power and fast speed. An intuitive digital control panel works with most third-party graphics software. This machine cuts through 20 毫米 in one pass, engraving on wood, acrylic, cardboard, glass, leather, stone, and other above 1000 materials at speeds up to 800 mm per second. Now, let's use our laser engraving machine to achieve your creativity.